Hiro-san, we are back at one of your favorite places to shop.
Walmart.
This is Walmart, yes. And we're going to dial it back down a little bit. Some of you have asked for basically going back to the very basic of sushi making. So we're going to call it Sushi 101. And it starts with a Walmart. Now, obviously, this is in Miami. And we're right in North Miami area. And the thing is, your Walmart may not have everything here. But we're going to show what we have here, and we're going to make some basic sushi from what we can find. All right, here you go. Sushi rice, guys. Yep, how much is that? $5.98.
Yeah, I think
for 2 pounds. Okay, very good.
We need to make sushi vinegar.
Sushi vinegar. Do they have any sushi vinegar here? It'd be so simple if they did, right?
This is the rice
Vinegar. Look at that.
Yeah, rice vinegar they have it. So I can make salt and sugar, I would say it too.
Okay.
Then I can make the sushi vinegar.
Okay. All right, here we go at Walmart. If you guys want rice cooker, $25. This is the brand that Hiro uses, the Aroma. And this is this is actually very large, 4 quarts. I think yours is smaller, right? A little bit smaller.
Yeah, it is small.
But we're going to show you how to do it old school, without a rice cooker, just pot and over flames.
You know, if I want to cook the rice, I need a rice cooker, right? So I found a very nice one.
This is by chance. We're just walking out of, ready to pay for all this stuff, and Hiro, look what you found.
I want to show you. How about that? How about this? This little tiny.
Oh my goodness! And it can travel too.
Rice cooker.
This is a great size,
Right?
great shape.
Oh my god! I have a chicken too. I have a chicken and
corn and
carrots. They even this one for the.
I guess you want to inject some juice, some
Yeah.
soy sauce or something. Look at this chicken. All right, then no place.
Right.
All right. We heard something over here. I don't know what that is. But Hiro, at 50, oh my God, everything's coming to life. You hear all these noises now?
Yeah.
Hiro, only $14.97. That's a good price.
Okay.
Spark steam pot. You ready?
I have this one too.
Wow.
I can cook rice in this.
I think that's going to be the next challenge.
Yeah. Right.
This is going to be sushi for kids.
Yeah.
And check this out, guys. We're not going to get it this time, but maybe next. Got all your utensils here. Hiro, that's going to be a great challenge, Hiro.
Water sink too.
Great challenge. We're going to try and do that. All right, Hiro-san, we are back in the studio.
Yes.
After that Walmart run, let's go through the ingredients, Hiro.
Yes.
What we picked up?
Sure. For number one, rice.
Okay.
We found sushi rice.
Okay.
We're going to use this one today. And the next one, actually important thing is this one, the rice vinegar. So we couldn't find the sushi vinegar. So I'm going to make a sushi vinegar with rice vinegar. Rice vinegar with sugar here and salt here. Okay. Actually, we didn't get from the Walmart. But I usually use this dash kobu for the sushi vinegar. But if you couldn't find this one, of course in Walmart you couldn't find it. You can do still without dash kobu. If you have it, better.
Okay.
Yes.
And basically it's just like kelp, dried seaweed.
Yeah, there's a kelp. So a lot of
flavor.
umami coming from this one. So
Yeah.
you can make more better sushi vinegar. But if you don't have it, just go without.
Okay. All right, Hiro, what is the first step?
I think first step I'm gonna start to cook rice.
Okay.
But today is not usual way. I usually use my rice cooker, but today I'm going to use the regular pot.
All right, we're gonna do it old school. All right, Hiro.
Yes. So rice. Here they call sushi rice. First time I try this rice anyway. So I'm gonna cook 8 ounce sushi rice. I mean the rice. The rice is almost looks like a koshihikari, right?
Actually, is this short grain or medium grain?
This is short grain.
Is this short grain?
Yeah, so this is short
All right,
grain.
that's great.
Yeah, so
Yeah, take a look. You guys can see it almost look kind of like a little oval, even short.
yeah.
You can't use long grain, not even jasmine, so don't even try it. Make sure you get this short grain or
Short
even
grain.
medium. would be best.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm going to wash the rice.
Okay.
Then after I'm going to add the 8 ounces of water and a little bit more. Then start cook. About 2-3 times until the water gets clear. Okay, I'm gonna use the strainer. Okay.
This is what Hiro uses just to get all the water out. A lot of people disagree with it, but if you want to cook sushi rice perfectly, you need this tool. Make sure you get exactly the right amount of water with this completely washed white rice, sushi rice.
Yeah.
Okay, Hiro?
Yeah. So then I'm gonna put this one in here.
Okay.
I'm gonna add the same amount of the water, which is 8 ounce cup. This one, 8 ounce cup.
Okay. Now, normally it's just 1-to-1 in a rice cooker. What do you do it here in the pot?
I'm just gonna add just a little bit of extra.
Okay, 1 and 1 and just a little bit more. Okay.
Okay, just start it.
And the idea is to bring it to a boil.
Yeah, once water start boiling,
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it
Simmer.
heat a little slow,
Okay.
smaller, right?
And of course, cover it.
Okay, so water start boiling. I'm going to put slow heat.
So just simmer, right? Just basically
Yeah, kind of simmer,
Okay.
simmering, not too
And how long,
slow
Hiro?
cook. Still 15 to 20 minutes. Cooking time is almost same, like with this rice cooker. First, I'm going to make a sushi vinegar. So, I have a rice vinegar, I have a sugar and salt, and then additional kelp, with or without. So today's ratio is everything. I'm gonna calculation with this one. This is a 1/3 how they call it? 1/3 cup.
Yeah.
78 milliliter.
Okay.
Right. So ratio is actually 4, 3, 1. 4 cups of this, 3 cups of the sugar, and 1 cup of the salt.
Okay.
This is I'm going to mixing everything in here. So some people, some restaurant recipe actually after you mix it in the pot, so heat it up. That's the one way. Another one is actually you just mix it up and then just wait overnight,
Okay.
and everything getting clear, you know.
Okay.
So that's it. So you want to heat it up? Yes, it's a one way. Another way is you really don't need to be heated up.
Okay.
Okay. So let's do first step. I'm gonna do 4 cups of the rice vinegar into the container.
Now, what if they can't find rice vinegar? Can they use regular vinegar?
You mean if you
Instead of
don't
rice
couldn't
vinegar?
find the rice vinegar?
Yeah, can you use regular vinegar?
Ah,
I know it's
that's a good
completely
question.
different,
That's actually we should try on our YouTube channel.
Experiment that one?
Yeah, I was thinking to always wanted to do something, use another type of the
Okay.
vinegar, but of course rice vinegar. So,
Okay.
but even rice vinegar, they have a lot of different of the product, right?
Yeah.
So you should try it. Some restaurants actually using the different akazu, kind of little red color.
Yeah, like
Kurozu.
rice vinegar, sure.
So like that. So
How's the rice? Can we look at it real
yeah,
quick?
it's already bubbling.
It's bubbling, okay.
So yeah.
So now you put it even lower?
No, I just gonna watch it. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
All right. Back to sushi vinegar.
All right.
4 cup. Three and 4.
Okay.
This sugar I'm already calculation already. 3
Okay.
cup of the sugar already here. Yeah, it looks like it's a lot of sugar, right?
Yeah.
I know that. And this is a 1 cup of the salt
Cup.
already, right?
Yeah.
So like that.
All
So
right.
this one, everything you need to mix in here. Okay. So then you're gonna add the kobu this much, and you just keep in the cooler at least overnight.
Okay.
Then after you can see now there's a kind of color is milky,
Yeah.
but it's getting clear. And then maybe one more time, one, 2 times, you just stirring.
Okay.
That's it.
All right.
That's for the
Very
sushi
good.
vinegar.
So simple.
Yes. Okay, so rice is almost done. Actually, after I start water bubbling, I want to add the 1 ounce water. And then now the totally water is out. So I'm going to off the heat.
Okay.
And
Let's
then
take a look at that real. Can we take a look real quick? I know you're not supposed to lift open the lid, but take a look at the rice.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
So I'm going to wait to 5 to 10 minutes.
So obviously, you know, the thing we talked about earlier here is that you can find a rice cooker anywhere these days, you know?
Yeah, you can
It's
buy.
not-
Actually, the Walmart you can buy.
Yeah, Walmart, you saw earlier, got a ton of rice cookers. Target, anywhere. Now you can find it. It doesn't have to be a very expensive Japanese brand.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know?
it's not so expensive, so I recommend it to better have it.
Yeah,
Rice
it would be
cooker.
perfect every single time. You don't have to watch it. And
Yeah, you don't need to always watch it, so you just switch it on, that's it.
Okay.
You let them just cook. So I recommend it to
Yeah, okay.
have a rice cooker.
All right.
Okay, after 10 minutes, hopefully rice is get done right. Okay. Glass bowl, whatever, call. Just put that. And then this one, and the bottom one is always sticking like this, or a little bit of burning, so don't take it out all the way. So, and this is 8 ounce, so I just put the 2 ounce of the rice vinegar, sushi vinegar here. Just put it on the top.
The one that you just made, basically.
Yeah. Then just mix it up. When you mix rice, more like a cut motion, not like a pushing down. Cut, 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 cut. Try to put the rice vinegar on each grain.
Okay.
That's what we are looking for. So, okay, so after you mix with the vinegar, now you need to cool it down a little bit. Then ready to go.
Okay.
Yes.
And by the way, the vinegar that you used earlier was not the one that's in the fridge. It was one that you made previously. So
Yes.
just you don't have to ask the question. Well, you just made the vinegar. How
Yeah,
come
I
you're
know.
using it right away?
I know people gonna say, "Hey," I know what you like to say, but yeah,
This is Hollywood.
yeah, it's kind of Hollywood style.
Okay. All right, here we go, guys. This is it. Finished product. Sushi rice from Walmart. Very easily done. Guys can do it at home too.
Yes.
You guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. And stay tuned for the following videos. We're going to show you how to make sushi from some of the stuff we bought at Walmart earlier. And that way you can do it at home as well. Very, very easily. Okay, here's on. We'll do the tasting part next time, I guess.
Yeah, test about next
Okay.
in the next video.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.